Hi! In front of me is Nokia C21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nokia. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to get this free app from Flirt2 developer, and when it's ready, open it. DevCheck device and system info. Now, as you can see, thanks to this app, you can learn all about your Nokia's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!